Dear viewers, I hope you are all fine. This ultrasound video shows a rare case of fetus having a cross-fused renal ectopia with fusion and stones, renal stones. And this fetus also has oligohydramnios, decreased liquor amniotic fluid level is volume is very decreased with skeletal disorder possibly called thanatophoric dysplasia. Now you can see the fetal head and you can see the fetal skull bones are slightly overlapping to each other. This is placenta and you can see the amount of liquor is very decreased. Amniotic fluid is very much decreased in volume, although you can see the fetal heartbeat, fetal cardiac activity. Now you can see the spines of the fetus. A short spine is seen. And its sacral parts is ending slightly at a higher level. Thanatophoric dysplasia is a severe skeletal disorder characterized by extreme short limbs and folds of extra skin on the arms and leg. Other features of this condition include a narrow chest, short ribs, underdeveloped lungs, and an enlarged head with a large forehead and prominent wide-spaced eyes. Now the duration of pregnancy is about 26 weeks. You can see the spines of the fetus. Most cases of severe fetal skeletal dysplasia can be diagnosed by prenatal ultrasonography during the second or third trimester of pregnancy. However, making the conclusive diagnosis of this thanatophoric dysplasia TD using only this imaging tool can be difficult. In most cases, researchers suspect congenital short femur is caused by disruption during early prenatal development. Now you can see the fetal having a gestational age of about 26 weeks. A short femur is defined as a measurement below the 2.5 percentile of gestational age. This finding is typically identified on second trimester prenatal ultrasound as femur measurements are part of the algorithm for pregnancy dating. Now the short stature is well recognized component of Down syndrome. The femur length of affected fetuses have been observed to be shorter than normal with a ratio of actual to expected fetal length of less than 0.91, indicating a higher risk of trisomy. Now the fetal measurement of the femur length measurement of this fetus showed the gestation age of about 20 weeks, while the other two parameters showed about 26 weeks. So the femur is short, small for dates. Now this fetus also has oligohydramnios, and this refers to amniotic fluid volume that is less than expected for gestational age. It is typically diagnosed by ultrasound examination and may be described qualitative, that is reduced amniotic fluid volume, or quantitatively For example, amniotic fluid index equal to less than 5 centimeter, single deepest pocket less than 2 centimeter. As in this case, it is less than 2 centimeter. Routine prenatal sonography is performed in prenatal care to screen for fetal anomalies. Although cross-fused renal ectopia is an uncommon anomaly, prenatal diagnosis using renal artery Doppler imaging during the workup of empty renal fossa may aid with postnatal evaluation by pediatricians. Now you can see the fetal kidney. Both the kidneys are lying on one side. Now this cross-fused renal ectopia is a rare congenital anomaly and is mostly detected incidentally. In this case, during scanning, fetus was found to have an empty left renal fossa and right crossed renal ectopia with fusion on ultrasonography. Now, when an ectopic kidney crosses over to the contralateral side, it is called crossed renal ectopia, and the kidney lies below the contralateral kidney. There is usually fusion between the two kidneys, and in doing this, the crossed lower kidney malrotates, so the pelvis points to midline, and the crossed kidney's drainage is to the side it would drain to if it had not malrotated. When a kidney is located on the side opposite from which its ureter inserts in the bladder, it is defined as crossed renal ectopia and it is fused with the opposite kidney. Then it is defined as crossed fused renal ectopia. 90% of crossed ectopic kidneys are fused to their contralateral mate. Now you can see both the kidneys are fused together and a stone is also visible. You can see two stones shadowing. You can see the shadowing of the stones, and these stones lie near the fusion point of both the kidneys. A fetal pelvic kidney is a condition that results with the kidney fail to ascend to their normal position above the waist and remains in the pelvis because they are blocked by blood vessels in the aorta. Simple renal ectopia refers to a kidney that is located on the proper side but it in an abnormal position. Crossed renal ectopia refers to kidney that has crossed from its side to the other side. Both kidneys are located on the same side of the body. The kidney may or may not be connected. Both the kidneys. Now the crossed dystopia, also called unilateral fusion or crossed fused renal ectopia, is a rare form of renal ectopia where both kidneys are on the same side of the spine. In most cases, the two kidneys are fused together yet retain their own vessels and ureters. You can find some important information in the description of this video. The ureter of the lower kidney crosses the midline to enter the bladder on the contralateral side. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel. If you do like this video, please click the like button. Thanks.